Congratulations, Doctor, on this achievement.
Thank you.
May I know your name, rank achieved, batch and place you're from?
Yeah, my name is Dr. Sarupriya, and I got 31 rank in All India and 46 in PGI. Right now I'm doing radiology in RML Hospital, Delhi. Basically I'm from Himachal, and the batch I did was in 2009, EV3 from Munirka batch.
Munirka batch.
Yeah.
Okay. How you joined IMS, who told you about it, and what has been your experience so far?
My seniors told me. Basically they had done the previous batches. Experience was good, the teachers were fine, course was also fine. It was a bit hectic schedule in IMS.
But you call them professionals?
They are more than professionals, because in otherwise they will teach you more than what you also require. They will complete each and everything. Like they won't just finish the subject as a what I mean to say, like surgery if you take, or medicine if you take, they won't just tell it's surgery and just one teacher for surgery. Like super specialties are there, so we have different for urology, for pediatrics, for trauma, for everything. Same is in medicine for endo, respi, nephro, neuro. So it's a big thing in IMS.
So they go very deep and drill down.
Yeah, every teacher, if I'm not wrong, is DM or MCH out there.
Okay.
Like there was one teacher whom I like to name. He was from maybe from Mumbai. He used to teach us cardio and neuro in the medicine part. So he was exceptionally well.
Okay.
So these kind
Well, how you rank the literature part?
literature into the book stuff.
The books and the other
The
material?
notes are really nice.
Okay. You like them?
Yeah,
And they were easy?
they were easy, but not all of them. Some of the books even I haven't touched it. Micro, pharma, they were not as to be written in the question answer pattern, I would say.
No problem. How was the FTS session and the group discussion part that you...
FTS was fine. It's a bit hectic. It was lengthy for a few of the people. They were not able to do 300 questions. Group discussion was as such 6 to 7 hours in a day. So few teachers were good, few teachers were like just rushing up the question, but you have to do 20 questions in 30 minutes. It's not easy, but it was on the whole good, I would say.
One single line that you would say for IMS?
It's good. I will simply say it's like you need to, at least because I joined IMS, I cleared because of IMS only. So I will say just you have to come here and experience it. Otherwise you won't know what IMS was all about.
And this note, I wish you all the best, doctor, and may God give you better and better rank.
Thank you.
in life. Thank you.